Touch it. Ow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where'd my earring go?
It's my earring. You ripped it out.
Where'd your earring go?
You ripped it out when you were on the phone. You're like,
how did I rip it out? How did I rip it out? There's why is real life not? It's under the sink. It's the rest of the earring. Oh, God damn it all. No. This is my real life right now. I have no toenail. I have no dignity.
why did I lose your earring? And my
I lost your earring, and I lost half of my kneecap, and I lost half of my fucking elbow, which doesn't make sense to the aborted baby on the other side of my elbow. This side that no one else can see. And I just don't. Ah!
Oh my gosh. This is gonna be like the shittiest video ever because I'm shaking from laughing so hard this whole time.
I hate life right now. Oh my God, I have to fart.
Do it.
I already did it. What is life happening? Look at that. Look at that. Ouch. I mean, like, what the fuck? This would not be real life. Like, I'm in heaven, right?
Heaven or hell.
Ouch. Give me breast cancer and then I'll go to heaven, you asshole.
Do you remember punching Caitlin in the tit?
I hope so, because she was a rat for dicks.
Sam, do you remember
Ratchet
freaking the...
ass.
She freaked out and was like gonna...
I just nailed Caitlin in the tit.
She was like gonna fucking kill Sophie today.
No, I walked up to her, I'm like, is that your boyfriend? She goes, yeah. I'm like, it wasn't 2 weeks ago. Hope you suck. Sucks to suck. Don't be a ratchet ass bitch, and I won't call you out on it. Whore.
My ankles. You just smashed my ankles.
Well, I'm sorry, but I don't have a toe, so I don't know what that feels like to have an ankle. I have no kneecap, and I have no fucking toenail, and I can't feel in between. True life, and I can't deal with it. You people think that being addicted to heroin is a problem? Be addicted to my life. No, I'm being serious.
Sam.
Be addicted to my life. It's a
Sam.
huge problem. What?
We're not roommates.
We're soulmates, asshole.
She told me that yesterday. She's like, we're not roommates. We're soulmates.
I don't remember saying